Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
Mecca say Kennedy Japan you should be jubilating because you have done wonderfully well, my brother.
But sir, you realize the whole Ghana was quiet after the.
Oh yes. And if
it were the rivers, they would have celebration over. So it should tell you what it is.
Even in Asante region, I mean, so great. But Mwankasa Ken team, I mean, Moshe Mo performance. From where we sit, you didn't say my idea. You have done marvelously well. But Mwankasa within, Muhammad saying,
oh, we did well, but I think we could have done better.
Okay.
We could have done better, especially in Ashanti region.
Okay.
We could have done better. Our operation was not effective. And so that is where they out-tweeted us.
They see because me say swame me wo TV so na report a free swame ba se sika bi a mode ma obi so meche watete ho adi sika no kra mai asunafo south mun sika mai it's a mia bebre adan.
Something went wrong with the distribution. I think the money came late and it was for TNT. You get the point. And like Kennedy always does, Akoma Ebina Okasa, or say, this is how much I want to give to every delegate for the effort and the burden put on them. And likewise, in our case, he also said that, okay, Munye presented for the effort you have made. And we made this open. And everybody knew how much he was entitled to. And we did not also discriminate against the Oba Umi and also the Oken. You see, everybody, every delegate is entitled to aid because they traveled from their places to come and vote. Unfortunately, I think that the monies were not paid the night before. The Adiachin Ekoto, but I say, and Mr. Sheka Kraba, Ebisu were so eager to take the money, no Munsanka. So they thought that there were delays. And genuinely, Ebisu were mischievous, those who were supposed to release the money. So these issues combined, created all those kind of tension. But in actual fact, Omomi did about the money were those from the Baumia camp, especially with the Swami case.
Okay.
With the Swami case, those who were making noise were from Baumia camp. They have shared the money from Baumia and did not give the Ken people. But when they heard the instructions that Ken said everybody should be paid, they were making noise, they haven't received their money. So when we
lawyer Yankatri Mona say Mulusu and Brofono Yados. And there was a Baumia for Nana a did no.
They say, just ridiculous. Because I'm speaking directly to the Swami issue.
Okay.
That's what
okay. Swami.
It is not as if the people did not share, but some of those people who were so vociferous for Baumia were struggling to go and take theirs, so they had to make noise for them to have theirs. Yes, man, come alcohol. That was the situation on the ground, and in all, no, it affected us a little bit with that kind of propaganda. So, but overall, I would not say that is what the victory. That is it. There were a lot of things they did that we did not anticipate and detect. And you know, we can congratulate them.
Ebi wo Askwaha say yes nipa about 26 or 30 something. Yomudi ewo album ane kura mu nimbala electoral commission de ene de na omudi nim. Sa ne man kedinkitu enya amadwe ankoso.
So in fact, on the night before, we were told that a new album has been released.
Wow.
Yes. In fact, this is some of the things, but now it's too late to make noise. Because the Kotoa about the album, them say me, there's a correction to man, we are. How can you release another album? Too easy. And the government is eating I'm sending many who says our names and that was the night before. So what could we have done? So we're hoping on the propriety of our candidates. It doesn't matter. We should go ahead and win the election. And then we forged ahead. And you know the kind of thing that we were fighting against. Say CEO the media bar, now MP in the bar, now MC in the bar. And that is what happened. But you see, we meant to have all the MPP and Ghana, but the delegates did not understand us. Because we're looking at the future of Ghana, not the present. In any way, these are internal elections. We have fought the fight. The candidate himself has opened. The elections were fair. We associate ourselves with him. It was fairly conducted. In fact, infractions now one year the name of Fontias. But those that can say, Saturday better. See a bayana abana, aquana in Yajatum dance, the backing and not to know my idiomope. Down. Now, one lesson MPP also Musiani say you better about we need to my India. As you speak to them, say, Oma here, Krumbe on the day on the 2024 election. And you are careful.
Mujidisa ya na say mu nyina mo beti mu ogum Kennedy say NDC form number ma almost show down. Ti say mu nyina beti mu ogum aye adwuma na meboa.
Oh, that should be the practice. That should be it. And it will depend on how we are welcomed as those who contested them. How do you say? We're coming here, we work with them and bring MPP to power. And we are ready.
Well, now, young Asante region. I mean, areas be or Mutimi a clock very, 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 very. Mame, the regional results. Name share Asante region. Yes, Kennedy, which was clear. Asante region, Kennedy, about 11,000, which I said it. Kennedy will not clock even more than 13,000 our Asante region. Most voter will about 38% our Asante region. The na mo hwehwe wa region mu. Wo say dey na Akoma mo dey na Kutia mo.